In this video, we're going to show you how to remove the interior light from an Audi A3 8P. That's years 2004 to 2012. Tools you'll need for the job: a flat trim tool and a Phillips screwdriver. Using your flat trim tool, remove the clear lens that's covering the light first. Just get your trim tool in at the side, pop it down, do the front edge first, and then it'll swing out. Once that's out, using your trim tool again, get behind the next trim along that one, the black one around the switch, and again, just work your way around with the trim tool and pop that out. It comes down, there is a little wire there just going to a plug, that does just pull out that one. Now you can see there's two Phillips screws there just at the front, one on either side. Remove both of those. Now to pull the unit down from the roof, start at the front, pull that down, just clipped in, and that will come out. And that exposes the wiring on the back. There's a few plugs you need to undo. You need to undo this cable guide first. That's just slotted into a hole. There, you can see it. If it's quite stiff to get out, you can use some long nose pliers just to get in and pry it, just to free it off. Now to undo the plugs. That one's just clicked in, that's the one we undid the other side of before. That just pulls out. And the big plug for the light, push the little tab in, pull it out. And the alarm one here, so the alarm sensor there across the back, there's two little grey tabs at the side. You can just flick those out and that'll release that. And then again, that's got a little plug there with the little tab on it. Push the little tab in, wiggle that out. And then your last one again is the same setup, just free that off and then push the little tab in down and that'll pull apart, and that's the interior light assembly removed.